How to buy LeBarbie token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on with this token, don't forget to go and engage with their community on X. As you can see, they have 326 members on their community. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It's created 1 day ago and increased by 200% in less than 4 hours. And also, this token trending number 3 in this one section. Now, I will show you how to buy this token. Now, click here to copy the token address and open a funds wallet for that. After that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana now in your wallet. Now click here and place token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now click on it and click on I understand. After that, type here how much you want to buy. Now as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click on pricing, click on provider, select Jupiter. Now click on apply and now go back. Click here on swap and you will be able to redact the Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy LeBarbie token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.